Welcome to qnawire.
Well, let's draw the swing. Well, let's say this is the Tarzan, the ball. Tarzan is represented by the ball here, right? And this is the swing. And here is the point A. Let's say this is the point A. And here the Tarzan has velocity ux in the x direction. And let's say this is the ground. Well, from the ground, Tarzan's height, 8 point A is 5 meter. Definitely his motion is going to be like this. Let's say this is point B, and this is our y direction, and this is x direction. And the distance between this point, let's say this point is point D, let's say point C. So the distance between point B and C is 10 meter. So this distance is equal to 10 meter. Right, so we are going to analyze motion from A to B along the horizontal, right? Well, initial velocity is ux. Well, ux is the initial velocity, and acceleration along x-axis is 0, since there is no force acting on the Tarzan along x-axis. And distance covered, well, distance covered is equal to 10 meter, and the time of flight is, so t is the time of flight, equals 10 divided by ux. Okay, and well, this was along horizontal, so these conditions are for horizontal. Now for vertical, initial velocity is equal to 0, and acceleration along y equals minus 9.8 meter per second square, since the Tarzan is falling under gravity. And height covered, h equals minus 5 meter. Now we use one of the motions of equations of motion. Well, h is equal to u times t plus half a t square plus half a t square. Well, h is minus 5, right? Then vertically there is no initial velocity. Plus 1 divided by 2 into acceleration along y-axis is minus 9.8 times t square. And from here, t is equal to 1 second. So t equals 1 second. And now we can write, since this is 1, we know that time of flight equals t equals 10 divided by ux. So we can write this as 1 is equal to 10 divided by ux. And so we have ux, which is equal to 10 meter per second. Now force exerted by the force exerted at A is given by so force exerted at A is given by m ux square divided by L, right? So let's plug in values. Well, mass of Tarzan is 80 kilogram. Well, velocity is 10 square, and well, here L is 8. So the force equals 1000 Newton.